We have video on right now. We can adjust the focus. As you can see, it's actually raining right now and you guys can see the raindrops. So now that we're looking further away, we can adjust the focus better. Let's try the trees out here.
Hello, my name's Scott. Today we are reviewing this day and night vision goggles, if you will, with camera. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get in the package. Comes in a nice protective hard case. Comes with a strap, a manual, cleaning cloth. Looks like Type-C card reader. Okay, so it looks like it takes. Okay, I gotcha. You can use this with your computer and it just reads your memory card. That's awesome. Head strap and the binoculars itself. This is what it looks like. You have all different buttons and settings on the bottom. You would look through right through here. You can adjust the focus, turning left and right. Make sure you pull this piece off of plastic. In here is the SD card slot, which they give you an SD card, micro SD, which looks like it's a 32 gigabyte. That's a pretty nice one. USB for charging. You can mount it on a tripod. Let's go ahead and test this out. Okay. This is what you guys are seeing. Obviously, we have to adjust this. Let's see, we got mode, picture, file, video. So we're going to go under the settings menu. We're going to change some settings here. Let's find it. Okay. We want, obviously, the best. We want to go under 2M. So we're going to play with the settings and we'll get back to you.
And once we get closer, we can adjust the focus. I mean, it's pretty incredible. Like, you can really adjust the focus. Very nice. Look at the rain. That's actually really cool. This is really nice. I like this a lot. This is going to be great for spotting for deer and on hunting trips, and just when we go visit places like to view the elk. It'll be really fun to use. Of course, when you're looking up at bright lights, it's harder to adjust, but this is pretty awesome. Very impressed. Very, very impressed.